Hello, I'm David Monteiro and I'm a tour guide for Portugal and Spain. You can find more information on my website davidmonteiro.me. Thank you for joining me here and I hope you'll have a pleasant time. The Douro Valley wine region. The Douro Valley is located in the north part of Portugal. It is the oldest demarcated wine region in the world, and it was classified as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2001. Many factors contributed to this area becoming a demarcated wine region in 1756, when in 1667 France imposed a blockade on importing English products. The English responded in kind. Following the mentioned disagreement, England needed to find another wine supplier. They turned to their old friend Portugal, with whom there was a preferred relation since the Treaty of Windsor in 1386. This was why Douro Valley wine started to be shipped from Portugal to England. To withstand the hardships of a boat trip from Portugal to England without soaring, some spirits was added to the wine to stabilize it. One can say it was the start of wine fortification that led to port wine as we have today. However, it was only the beginning because there was several changes to the production method until we could get the actual port wine. On this story, Marquis of Pombal played an important role. He was the one who, as Portuguese Prime Minister, demarcated the Douro Valley as a wine production area in 1756. From that moment on, grapes to produce port wine could only grow there. Nowadays at Pinhão, in the heart of the Douro Valley wine region, if we climb up to a viewpoint, all we will see around us are vineyards covering the slope as far as the eye can see. Hello again, thank you for spending your time with me. Check the description for more details about this episode. For more information, you can also access my website at davidmonteiro.me. The way you can help me is to share this episode with your friends and family. It is easy for you and very important for me. Keep yourself happy and safe, and until we meet again.